Welcome to the AI for Career Success video overview by Curt Robbins, where we help you get smarter than your competition. Today, we're going to be talking about a critical topic, the urgent need for technical communicators to develop new AI skills.
Our discussion today is based on a recent article by Guiseppe, which really addresses the evolving role of AI within the field of technical communication, and frankly, its profound impact. The source material really centers on this one critical question, which, as you can imagine, is something that professionals and students alike are asking more and more.
And the author's thesis is quite direct. The time for thinking about AI as some far-off concept is over. It's already here, and these tools are fundamentally changing how organizations approach communication.
So, the core challenge that's identified is a growing disparity, a skills gap between what the industry now needs and the current state of training within the technical communication field.
And this really illustrates that widening gap pretty clearly. On one side, you have industry demands which increasingly require AI proficiency, and on the other, you have current training that often lacks any AI-specific curricula. It's a disconnect that we need to address.
This, of course, leads to a critical question that the article poses. What are the consequences of inaction? What happens if the field simply doesn't engage?
Well, if the field doesn't get involved, AI systems will just continue to be developed without that user-centric perspective that is so core to technical communication. We're talking about a lack of attention to usability, accessibility, and the serious ethical implications.
So to address this gap, the source identifies 4 specific, non-coding skills that technical communicators must now start to develop.
The first skill is what you'd call foundational literacy. This is all about knowing the capabilities and, just as importantly, the limitations of these new AI technologies.
Now, beyond just simple use, professionals need proficiency in what's known as prompt engineering. This is the skill of guiding AI toward high-quality, accurate results.
The third key skill is critical analysis. This is about applying human judgment to assess the quality and the appropriateness of AI outputs. Is it accurate? Is it coherent? Does it match the brand voice?
And finally, technical communicators need to develop a very strong sense of ethical awareness. This is about guiding the responsible implementation of AI in all our work.
The conclusion from the source really isn't a distant prediction. Instead, it's an immediate call to action. The author emphasizes that this kind of active engagement is absolutely necessary to shape these technologies so they can better serve actual users. This final quote from the article really frames the skill development not just as a smart career move, but as a genuine duty to the profession itself. Thank you for watching. This is where we teach you AI and help you get smarter than your competition. We encourage you to subscribe to the AI for Career Success YouTube channel and to like, comment, and share this video to help us reach a wider audience.